With the increasing prevalence of cyber attacks and the rise of the digital age, cybersecurity has become a rapidly growing field. If you are interested in pursuing a career in cybersecurity, you are not alone. However, with so many options to choose from, it can be challenging to know where to begin. Let's explore how to choose the right cybersecurity career for you and identify some potential cybersecurity careers for beginners. The first step in choosing the right cybersecurity career is to assess your skills and interests. Cybersecurity is a vast field, and there are numerous roles to choose from. Identify your areas of interest and your existing skills, and think about how you can leverage them in a cybersecurity role. Research different cybersecurity roles to gain a better understanding of the field. Some roles require technical skills, while others focus more on risk management and strategy. Research the job requirements, education and certification requirements, and typical responsibilities for each role to identify which ones align with your skills and interests. Consider the industry and company you want to work in. Cybersecurity is a critical component of every business, and there are cybersecurity roles in various industries, including finance, healthcare, and government. Research the cybersecurity needs and requirements of different industries and companies to identify which ones align with your interests. There are many potential cybersecurity careers for beginners, from technical roles to more strategic and managerial positions. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your tech career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.